Welcome to the paradise that is the Maldives, an island nation nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, where nature's beauty blends perfectly with luxury and relaxation. Imagine yourself standing on a beach of soft white sand, the crystal clear turquoise waters gently lapping at your feet, with only the sound of waves and the cool ocean breeze to accompany you. It feels like stepping into a perfect painting, where everything around you whispers peace and tranquility. The Maldives is an archipelago consisting of over 1,000 islands, each one more beautiful and unique than the last. But what they all have in common is the breathtaking beauty of the beaches, the vibrant underwater life, and the serenity that surrounds them. When you visit, you'll not only find pristine beaches and transparent waters, but also a refreshing atmosphere where every moment seems to stand still, allowing you to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The islands of the Maldives are surrounded by rich coral reefs, creating an underwater paradise teeming with life. This is a dream destination for those who love the ocean and want to experience the wonders of the sea up close. You'll encounter colorful coral gardens, schools of fish, sea turtles, and even the occasional manta ray gliding gracefully through the water. The Maldives is home to some of the best diving spots in the world, offering an unparalleled chance to explore the vibrant marine ecosystem that flourishes beneath the surface. From a bird's eye view, the Maldives' breathtaking landscape is even more stunning. The tiny circular islands surrounded by shimmering, crystal clear water create a scene of unrivaled beauty. The sunlight dancing on the surface of the water makes it look like the entire sea is glittering. It's a sight that will leave you in awe, and with each moment, you'll feel more immersed in the natural wonders of this island paradise. Imagine lying back on a hammock under the shade of palm trees, with the soft sound of the waves in the background. The gentle ocean breeze brushes against your skin as you take in the picturesque surroundings. This is the kind of tranquility that makes the Maldives such an alluring escape. It's not just a destination for relaxation, but a place where you can connect with nature in its purest form. makes the Maldives an ideal spot for a romantic getaway? It's the intimacy and privacy that many of the luxury resorts offer, with water villas that extend over the crystal-clear lagoon, private pools that overlook the vast ocean, and world-class amenities. You'll feel like you're in your own personal sanctuary. Every resort is designed to offer a perfect blend of modern luxury while preserving the natural beauty of the islands. Whether you're enjoying a private dinner on the beach or unwinding at a spa, you're bound to experience the ultimate relaxation. The climate of the Maldives is tropical, with year-round warm temperatures. The dry season from November to April is particularly popular, offering clear skies and plenty of sunshine, while the wet season from May to October brings occasional showers and cooler temperatures. However, no matter the season, the Maldives remains a spectacular place to visit, with endless blue skies and turquoise waters waiting to be explored. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns into a magnificent blend of orange and pink hues, painting the horizon with colors that you won't find anywhere else. The reflections of the sky on the water create a mesmerizing effect, turning the entire beach into a dreamlike scene. These sunsets are a must-see, as they bring a magical atmosphere to the already serene landscape. One of the special highlights of the Maldives is the opportunity to explore the vibrant underwater world without even having to dive. Glass-bottom boat tours allow you to observe the colorful coral reefs and fish without disturbing the delicate ecosystem below. This is a unique way to experience the wonders of the ocean while remaining dry and comfortable on the boat. In addition to underwater adventures, the Maldives also offers a variety of exciting water sports. From kayaking and windsurfing to fishing and paddleboarding, there's no shortage of ways to stay active while enjoying the ocean. If you're looking for a more thrilling experience, you can try parasailing or jet skiing for an adrenaline rush as you zip across the waves. With all the beauty and excitement the Maldives has to offer, it's easy to see why it's considered one of the top travel destinations in the world. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or romance, the Maldives has it all. It's not just a place to visit, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. So why wait? Come and experience the Maldives for yourself, a place where every moment feels like a slice of paradise. Get ready for an unforgettable journey, where the beauty of nature and the luxury of relaxation come together in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Be sure to check out our other videos for more travel inspiration and breathtaking destinations. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.